Unit 2, Plants. 2.1 Characteristics of plants. Plants are multicellular organisms characterized by distinct biological traits. A primary characteristic is their ability to perform photosynthesis. Photosynthesis involves converting light energy into chemical energy. This conversion relies on chlorophyll, a pigment that gives plants their green color. Plant cells are enclosed by cell walls made of cellulose. Cellulose provides structural support and rigidity to the plant. Plants perform essential life processes, including nutrition, respiration, and response to stimuli. Nutrition involves absorbing water and nutrients from the soil through the roots. Respiration is the process where plants convert sugars into energy, consuming oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Plants respond to stimuli like light, phototropism, and gravity, geotropism, influencing their growth. Plants have evolved diverse adaptations to thrive in various environments. These adaptations include specialized root structures for water absorption. Modified leaves, such as spines, reduce water loss in arid climates. Unique pollination stratégie attract spécifique pollinator, aiding reproduction.